Hi, I'm Gary Betticher and I'm Associate Professor of Computer Science at the University of Houston-Clear Lake. And in this video, in terms of best practices teaching, I want to talk about the importance of asking questions. A lot of times what happens, universities throughout the whole world, they're set up for a lecture-based situation where communication goes from the faculty member to the student. It's more or less one direction. What I try to do, engage the students, I call on students not to answer a question, but to ask me a question. So I might say to a student, Bob, ask me a question, or ask a question about the subject matter. And sometimes students struggle with that because they're not used to asking questions. A lot of times they're used to just sitting in class, taking notes, things like that. So I would encourage you to ask students to ask questions in the class. Now, they might struggle in the beginning, but stay at it, encourage them as they do it, because I think what you want to do is to develop the curiosity that the students have, because a lot of times it might have gotten beaten out of them over the years in terms of institutional academia. So good luck with having them ask questions, and let me know how it goes. Thank you. Bye-bye.